Did you know that one Instagram reel has the ability to change your entire lifestyle? These kinds of nature reels are trending and going viral across the internet, especially on Instagram. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create these types of reels within just a matter of a few minutes and make over $6,000 per month in the process and head towards financial freedom. Wonder how this is possible? Don't worry, as I will be covering everything step by step along with the proof to show how these creators are making thousands of dollars every month. So as you can see, this Instagram account has over 400,000 subscribers and with just 195 posts, which could be generated within a few minutes using my method. If we check out this account, the stats are way crazier as it has gained over 60k followers with just 8 posts, which is mind-blowing. What's more impressive is that the account was created just 1 week ago. Before we dive into step 1, I want to remind you to subscribe and don't miss the Insta Surge technique, which I'll reveal later in the video, which is going to guarantee that your reels have a high chance of going viral within a couple of days. Step 1. Prompt formulation. This element is the most overlooked as most don't realize the importance of quality content to stand out. So we will need 2 types of content, which are reels and posts that we are going to upload on our account. I will clarify the purpose of this further ahead. We will first require a solid prompt in order to generate the high quality content we need. For this, we will head towards ChatGPT and I'm going to type in, "Can you generate 10 image prompts for viral anime themed Instagram wallpapers?" Now we are going to copy each of these prompts individually. Step 2. Visual synthesis. Now let's head out to a site called Leonardo AI, where we are going to get our images generated. You can sign up for a free account where you will be rewarded with 150 tokens daily without any charge. You'll need to click image creation and then set the preset to anime while changing the aspect ratio to 9:16. You now need to paste the prompts individually and click generate. You'll have the illustrations generated in a few seconds. You can repeat this for the remaining prompts and download them accordingly. And once done, we will now require getting these images motion animated in order to upload them as reels. Previously, this was also possible within Leonardo itself. However, it's not available anymore under the free plan. But don't worry, I have another option which is going to get this done for free. The site we are going to use for this is called immersity.ai. You just need to click try now, and once in, you'll just need an image that you have downloaded from Leonardo. Once processed, you will then end up in an interface where multiple animation styles are available to choose from. You can play around with these options. However, I prefer the style under the name Perspective. Once selected, you then need to go and click Export, MP4 3D Motion, and then click Next. You now will have a free option named Limited, which is going to enable you to download them at 720p resolution for free. You might notice that the downloaded file contains a watermark, but don't worry, as I'll make it go away in the next step. Step 3. Reel fabrication. Now that we have the animations ready, we now need to go to CapCut.com. You'll need to click Create New and select the 9:16 format. Now you can upload the animated video over here and drag it to the timeline. Next, you'll need to duplicate the video until the duration is around 15 seconds. Now you are going to enlarge the image a bit until the watermark is out of the canvas. Now we have one important element of the reel, which is adding a background score to this. We'll go over to audio and select a soundtrack that suits our theme. In this case, I'm going to type Night Vibe and search for a matching melody. Well, this seems to be perfectly synced with our animation, so I'm going to drag it to the timeline and then crop it at the end of the video. You'll also need to make sure that the audio fades out at the end. You now can review the end result and download it if everything's okay. Let's go and have a look at what we've created. Seems impressive, right? But there's something much more impressive than this, the amount of money the creators are making behind the curtain. So now let me reveal how to make loads of money with this. So going back to this account, you might notice this site which is linked in the bio. Let's go and have a look. The link actually redirects to a store where the owner has listed plenty of wallpapers for sale. As you can see, the store has already sold over 1,800 of these. And if you notice, you'll also see a product priced at $100, which is basically a pre-recorded course covering the process of generating this art. Isn't it fair to you to drop a like on this video as I've taught this for free? If I move into the other channel, which was launched just a week back, you can also see that this guy too has already created his own store. So basically, you are going to have 3 methods of making money with this account. The first is going to be by creating customized AI art for your audience, where, for example, someone might pay out and request an image of a forest at night with stars glowing in the sky. Well, say no more. You follow the process and you get it created for them with ease. The next method is by listing your pre-generated wallpapers in your store. And the next and most potential method is by selling your AI art generation course to your audience, which is going to make over thousands of dollars in passive income every month while you are doing whatever you want. Also, I've created myself a bio, ensuring a smooth redirection towards my products. And I'm going to include it in the description and as a pinned comment so that you could also use it. But wait. Just creating these reels won't get you anywhere if you don't follow a proper upload strategy. Don't worry, as now I'm revealing the Insta search technique, which I use personally to ensure all my videos are set to go viral. So first you'll need to upload 3 to 4 posts and reels per day. So let's say you are posting 4 reels per day. You also need to be posting the related images as a post on the same day. Also, the caption hashtag is crucial. For this, we are going to go back once again to ChatGPT and type in, "Can you generate Instagram captions and hashtags for the above?" You now have to make sure you insert this same caption into both your posts and reels. There is one more thing left. You'll need to copy a set of keywords explaining your niche from your Instagram bio, which you'll need to use in every post and reel you upload. With this method, Instagram is going to know the nature of your content and is going to promote all your content towards targeted users. With this, you are going to ensure your posts gain traction, which as a result is going to make you quit your job and be financially free in the process. Hey there, there's a secret untapped niche that's blowing up right now, and the creators in this space are raking in millions of views and earning thousands of dollars every week. But here's the best part. I've developed a super fast method to help you generate the same type of content in just a few minutes. Click the video that just popped up to discover the step-by-step process to start earning today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.